I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Hello guys, you're welcome back on the Better Media. In today's video, we are going to look at this amazing lady, Tatya Karkainen. I don't know if I pronounce the word well. The arrow is not usually the best for me when I pronounce in Finnish, but this is her name, Tatya Karkainen, and she's a PhD holder, founder at Kitot RDI in DeFi digital asset. She is a fintech specialist. She specializes in crypto assets, digital assets. She is amazing. I'm so interested in everything she does. I want you guys to get to know more about her. She's involved in crypto asset, digital asset, and she's been doing a lot recently to build an amazing platform that will serve a purpose in the digital space. Now let's go further to understand what Tatya is all about. Tatya is a leading expert in financial technology, that's fintech. She is currently conducting research into digital asset and machine learning as part of her PhD in finance. As part of this research, she has authored a number of academic papers. In addition to her academic interests, she has had a long and successful track record in institutional investor relationship management and alternative investment. She combines her financial and technological background by applying technology solutions to develop innovative projects and services. Masters in politics, BA in international relations and politics. Wow, this is an amazing. This is power. She is a powerful lady. She has written this article about fake fit every gorilla deflationary token with a high transaction tax paid to holders. So if say you want to read more about this article, you can follow her and get this article about fake fit every gorilla. Now let's move further to see what Tatya is specialized in. Tatya specializes in digital asset and machine learning. She has authored a number of academic papers relating to network effect, financial inclusion, crypto futures, and FOMO. Her interest lies especially in predicting long-term value. She has had a long and successful track record in institutional investor relationship management, IT, and alternative investment. PhD in finance, fintech, master in politics, BA in international relations and politics. She is doing a lot to build platform services that will enhance, crypto usage in the world, and she's an advocate of content creation. She wants to see creators make money. So guys, she is really amazing. I just said let me take a short time to talk about what she's been doing. So this is all what she has been up to. When you go to her page, you see that she has been up to so many stuff. This is a platform on LinkedIn. You can go there. Let me just go through all her activities to see all what she's been going through recently. So guys, you want to go check her out. She's an amazing lady. You can go on Google, just type this name, Tatya Karkainen, or go on LinkedIn, to see all what she has been doing. She's really into a lot of stuff. Really, she's doing so much. I want you guys to get to know more about her. And those of you who are fake army, you go to an article about fake, you have seen that, and she's doing so much. This is one of her articles about FOMO in digital assets, and it has 350 downloads, 1,000 abstract views, rank 113,000. 41 references. She is doing an amazing job. Really guys, you can go and check her out. Check this amazing lady, what she's all about. Yeah guys, she's doing so much, so good in the crypto space. I love to see advocates of crypto, those who are doing awesome stuff. And I want you guys to get to know more about her, what she's up to, and just get to know about her. Keep an eye on her. Guys, this is all I have to show you about this amazing lady. She's into crypto. That's one of the reasons why I am She's into crypto and she has written an article about fake token, so all fake army. Go and check her out. See if you can connect with her. And the fake marketing, also go through this article, see what you can get out of it, and maybe publish it on the Fake Central website. If you haven't yet subscribed to this platform, come on, what are you still waiting for? Go and hit the subscribe button, like as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.